candidates, Regulation 851E of the General Election Regulations allows political party agents to be present at the tallying center, which as a commission we have allowed you. Indeed, the announcement of results at the tallying center is done in the presence of agents as governed by Regulation 76 and 87 of the Election General Regulations. While the Commission acknowledges that election agents are an important component of an election, we must, however, understand the specific role of agents at the National Tallying Center. And this was made clear by the Supreme Court, which pronounced itself on legal and public standing of party agents at the National Tallying Center, where it observed that the role is restricted to the observation of the tallying process and signing of relevant statutory forms. In this respect, agents are not part of the receiving teams. However, the statutory forms are available to them to verify that the results received by them from their polling stations, agents mirror those received by the Commission at the tallying center. So the agents will look at the copies of the forms and confirm that the results or the forms are similar to what you received from the polling stations and confirmed by your agents at the constituency tallying centers. So we advise that agents in this exercise cannot proceed in the manner which we are proceeding, as if we are doing a forensic audit. So I just want to define clearly the role of agents. Please observe the process and document the tallying process. Make notes, document what is going on. Compare Form 34 issued, and you are being given copies to the party agents and those received by the presidential returning officer at the tallying center, and bring to the attention of election officials any errors, irregularities noted in the comparison of the forms, and make notes of those errors and sign declaration forms at the end of the tallying. So, but please don't interrogate the returning officers and slow down the process. If we do that, then we shall not be able to finish this exercise. So agents play a role, observe, make notes, and then let the process move on. And we expect that we shall have a few more desks to make 7. I'm directing that each desk should not take more than 15 minutes per returning officer. So those who, and perhaps I was here the whole of last night until this morning. I observed a few incidents of disruption of the process. Please restrain yourselves from disrupting this national exercise. If there are any incidents of disruption, we shall remove you from this tallying center. So please restrain yourselves from disrupting the process. If you have any concerns, make note of the concerns and raise them with me. Do not disrupt the teams that are carrying out this exercise. To the returning officers who are sitting patiently waiting to be served, please arrange your papers. Don't come with their incomplete or misarranged papers, because if you come with their documents not arranged, you're also going to waste time at the clearance desk. Put your papers in order. We have over 130 returning officers in the house. They need to be cleared so they go back to their stations. We have a few results which we want to announce. Ndia constituency in Kirinyaga, the total registered voters 69,743. Total valid votes cast, 48,548. Rejected ballots, 346. Odinga Raila, 6,872. Ruto William Samoei, 41,293. Wahika David Maure, 151. Washakoya George Luchiri, 232. Katuntu South in Kiambu County, Katuntu South constituency in Kiambu. This is the result. Registered voters, 79,860. Total votes cast, 54,536. Rejected ballots, 475. Odinga Raila, 12,290. Ruto William Samoei, 41,712. Wahika David Maure, 223. Washakoya George Luchiri, 311. This is the result for Yatta constituency in Machakos. The number of registered voters, 82,446. Rejected, the number of votes cast, 49,062. Rejected ballots, 402. Raila Odinga, 38,225. William Samoei, Ruto, 10,391. Wahika David Maure, 121. And Wachakoya George Luchiri, 325. Then we have Aina Bukoi constituency in Uasin Gishu. The number of registered voters is 62,611. Votes cast, 44,102. Rejected ballots, 265. Odinga Raila, 8,620. Ruto William Samoei, 35,401. Wahika David Maure, 51. Washakoya George Luchiri, 90. We are processing the rest of the results we have received, and we shall continue announcing. Perhaps the chief agents, if you are here, we can give you some 15 minutes break with your teams. Maybe you can consult on the remarks I've made and come back for us to proceed with the process. We can take a 15 minutes break. Thank you.
Meme TV, Muthegi wa Rũrĩrĩ. the great oasis Nanyuki. Mugunda uyu muraugurire nayo na turacokeria mwathani ngatho tondu riu title ni ciumite. We wigurire Nanyuki ni ugukena. No ugure eka 5, no ugure eka 10, no ugure eka 2, no ugure eka nigetha nawe ukigire kindu mucii wa Nanyuki.